Hey guys, it's Artistic Nick again. It's another Scribble Art Sunday. I hope you enjoy this one. It's Ice Cube. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you next week.
If the kingdom is overthrown, meet me at the cornerstone. I know that I can't be without you. This bond is solid gold. We're a diamond and an emerald. It took me forever to find you. 'Cause when it's all over, the love that you give will be there to guide you in every way. Now we've been through the cold and darkest day. The summer's calling. As we wait for the smoke to clear and we watch our dreams appear, I know that we can rise together. This vision that we share is ours. Together we can touch the stars. I know that we will see December. 'Cause when it's all over, the love that you give will be there to guide you in every way. Summer's calling.
Hit subscribe, smack the notifications button, follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter.